Well, okay, welcome along to another 20p RetroTech 100 Arcade Challenge. Simple rules, 2 credits, see how far you can get. Please like, share, subscribe, all that gubbins. I will post a link to the group in the comments or description thing. Right, okay, where are we? So, just a few facts before we start off. This game's called SLY, which is a weird title if you ask me, but there you go. It's also known as Secret Agent in Japan and various other different countries. Made by the good famous Data East, who have done the Robocop game and Dragon Ninja and all that sort of gubbins. Available for the arcade, obviously, Amiga, Atari ST, Spectrum, Commodore 64 and Amstrad, and was the 5th most successful arcade unit of that year. I forget the year. Was it 1990? 1991? One of the two. Yeah, and also features in the film Robocop 2 in the arcade section. If you have an eagle eye, you might have noticed that. It's something to do with the rights of the game belonging to Ocean Software, something like that. It's also available on a Data East Classics compilation, which I think was available on the PS2, and you can also get this on the Switch. Right, let's get going, because this won't last very long. You're not going to be competitive this week, because I've just run out of time. 069. Good morning, Agent 069. Council for Domination terrorists have inflicted the city. Get them before they kill innocent people. So, I ran out of bullets last time. We will see how we get on. But I do need to be more conservative. Once you run out of bullets, it just turns into a beat 'em up. Well, for you it does. Just take that off now. So I've parachuted down. Get these gold things, makes your gun better, apparently. Come on.
Great job.
Great job. So that's the first bit over with. Let's get on to the next bit. Bicycle level. As seen in what was it seen in? Dragon Ninja versus whatever it is. Oh god, I can't play and talk as usual again. Fuck. I'm getting owned like Donald Trump in the White House on a golf course. My ass kicked. I said, do not want to run out of bullets. Oh shit. That music is just sinister. I mean, obviously this James Bond rip-off, everyone knows that. I wonder if they got sued for it, because it is just so blatant. I think Jay might be winning again this week, which is would be 3 in a row for him, wouldn't it? That never happens. Or maybe not 3 in a row. 3 in the last 4 maybe. Shit. Just duck, shoot, shoot, duck. Shoot, shoot. Duck, duck, shoot, shoot. I think I'm wasting a bullet there, aren't I? And that's that done.
Great job.
Yay. Next bit. 3rd level. Look at the size of the car, look at the size of him. It's fucking insane. Ah, bollocks! Saw that coming and I still got killed. Anyway. Oh, bollocks. I like this game. Obviously shit at it, but running away. Why are you running away? Oh, jetpack. Okay, I had the jetpack. I've run out of bullets. For fuck's sake. Not gonna get the gold gun if I don't have any bullets. Yeah, gonna see some proper spy action now. The guy with the no gun. Why can't I keep enough fucking bullets? Ridiculous. That is the This is not a fair fight. It's not a fair fight, folks. Now watch as Donald Trump presses the nuke button and destroys the entire world. Boom. Game over.
Oh, SLY.
Oh. So I came 3rd. No, 13th there. And last, I think, in all of the runs so far. So that'd be first for me. Anyway, come back, join the group. You've got a couple of hours, and I'll see you another week. Adios.